Yo, I feel like this is more of a workout than anything. Like, seriously, I don't even know how I'm doing this. Yo, I just came here to take a picture and not work out.
This was 500. Alright, he's about to bust his ass. Yo. We're over here at Fitch right now. We're about to do this photo shoot real quick. Oh, shit. Look at that. That's dope right there.
Yeah, we do that every year. Mine was cool.
Oh, that'd be a sick spot for a music video. That's dope. I think I found a spot for the next music video. Who wants in? Hit me up for your next shoot. Let's see if he knows how to turn it on.
Okay, wait. You got something to do with this, right? Oh, huh? No, that's light. Yo, what is this? Rocket science? Yo, bro.
There you go. Now hit the yellow button. Make sure the keys turn all the way.
All the way?
Yeah. Now the yellow button.
Oh yeah.
Yo, he can't drive.
This is so scary, yo. Yo, this is not cool. This is so fast, bro. Damn.
Alright, so this is where we're at right now. We're at the fish track. We're about to do a quick photo shoot for Wisdom. So you better be looking on YouTube for it. Everybody follow me over at Wanye Films. That's WANYEFILMS. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button if you like this video. How you feeling right now?
Yo, I feel like this is more of a workout than anything. Like, seriously, I don't even know how I'm doing this. Yo, I just came here to take a picture and not work out. Oh, it's sort of it though. It's sort of it. Oh, we can do it right there.
Here we go. Money shot right here. So I wanted to remind you guys, for the whole month of June, I'm running a deal that's $300 for one music video and $500 for two. Recently, I finally caved and bought one of these. Got me a sauna suit. I'm trying to get back into my fitness. It's time. It's time. This is the suit Puff and Mace wore back in '97, right? Those shiny suits. Can't do this. So, when's art?
Art is on Monday, but I guess school wasn't on that day.
Because Memorial Day, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you missed art yesterday, but what do you have coming up?
The art show on Thursday. It's at 5:30.
Oh yeah, and what do you got planned?
But we're gonna show what we did with our art. So we have like a little name tag on our thing, and it says, "Hello, my name is Aaliyah," or "Hello, blank your name."
Okay. Thanks for sharing.
Bye. Just have been practicing a song together. Little do you know how I'm breaking while you fall asleep. Little do you know I'm still haunted by the memories. Little do you know I'm trying to make myself a piece by piece. Little do you know I need a little more time. Underneath it all, I'm held captive by the hole inside. I've been holding back for the few that you might change your mind. I'm ready to forgive you, but forgetting it's so hard to find. Little do you know I need a little more time.
Aaliyah has some very exciting news today. We just left our eye doctors and she wants to tell you guys something.
So what I wanted to say, guys, I got some good news to tell you guys. And what about my glasses? I don't have to wear glasses no more.
Yay! No more glasses, all right. Her next appointment is in 4 months in September, so we'll see
you guys later. And make sure you subscribe down below and like the video. Peace. Peace. You ready? Get set, go. Little do you know how I'm breaking while you fall asleep. Little do you know how Wait, oh my gosh, it's all over. Kylie kept on going my mom. Well, what I'm gonna be doing, we don't know yet, but I guess I had a paper for it, and I pretty much, I have papers. We have our little papers.
Okay, all right. We understand that you have papers, okay?
Okay.
But I need to know what you're doing with the papers. What are you...
We had to hang our papers up on the wall.
But I'm just saying, yeah, go find Wanye films.
Like button if you like this video. Go ahead and subscribe if you're new here. I'll see you in the next video.
Yeah.
Peace out, guys.
Peace. Good shit. I'm so hyped to see this video.